In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts in PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing an important presentation for work, a school project, or a personal slideshow, the look and feel can be critical. This video will guide you through the simple steps to personalize your presentations with unique fonts that truly capture your style or your brand's identity. Let's dive in to get started. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Google Fonts and hit Enter. Google Fonts is a free, robust library of fonts that's perfect for finding just the right style you need. Once the search results appear, click on the link that takes you to the Google Fonts homepage. This site is where we'll find our new font. Browsing through the myriad of available fonts on Google Fonts can be an enjoyable process. Take your time exploring and comparing different font styles until you find one that's perfect for your presentation. When you've made your choice, click on the font. You'll be directed to a page detailing its style variations, like bold or italic, and a bit about its designer. On this page, look for the Download Family button, typically on the top right corner, and click it to download the font onto your computer. Once the download process is complete, you'll have a compressed zip folder with your font files. Go to your download location and locate this zip folder. To access the fonts, you need to extract the files from the folder by right-clicking on it and selecting the Extract All option. Choose a destination for your extracted files that you can easily find later and proceed with the extraction. Now, with the font files extracted, it's time to install them onto your computer. Navigate to the location where you've saved the extracted files. You should see a collection of files with the extension TF or .otf. Right-click on each of these font files and select the Install option from the menu. This step adds the font to your system's library so it can be used in PowerPoint and other applications. To make these changes take effect, you'll need to restart PowerPoint if you already have it open. Simply close the application and then open it again. This refresh ensures that PowerPoint recognizes the newly installed fonts, adding them to the list of available fonts you can use. Finally, you're all set. When you open any presentation in PowerPoint, your new font should be available in the Font drop-down menu, ready to bring a fresh look to your slides. Adding custom fonts is a fantastic way to enhance your presentations and ensure they have a personal touch that stands out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process straightforward and enjoyable.